Today we are in our Leila Fletcher Level 1 book, number 4, Tiger Hunt. And we are still concentrating on C, B, and A in the left hand. Can you find the other C, B's, and A's on the keyboard? There's a lot of them. We have our main one right here. Find the 2. C is right there. And there's even a very low one. Find your 2 black keys. Now let's go to this direction of the keyboard here. Here's our main one. Oops, sorry. C, B, A. Find your 2 black keys. Here's C. C, B, A. Okay, so we are going to play Tiger Hunt, and it's in 2/4 time again. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it again and say the letter names as we play it. 1, 2, 1, 2. C, B, A leads the way. Tiger Hunt is on today. Now let's do it with our beets and our melons. 1, 2, 1, 2. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, 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 melon. Okay, the last thing to do is to play the duet. So here we go. I've already recorded it, and this is what it sounds like when you put it together.